Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Newton's law of cooling. What is this? Newton's law of cooling. So see, in name itself, what it suggests that we are going to learn some law which is about the rate of cooling or how the cooling is going to take place. Yes or not? So let's see how it is. So according to this law, the rate of loss of heat, rate of loss of heat is directly proportional to temperature difference, proportional to temperature difference. So rate of loss of heat means what? Minus dq by dt is directly proportional to change or difference in temperature means theta minus theta naught. Theta minus theta naught. Now, what is this theta and what is theta naught? Before that, what I am doing? Minus dq by dt, and I am adding one proportionality constant, let us suppose small k, into theta minus theta naught. Okay. Now we know what we know, that this dq is what? Heat, and it is ms into d theta. This is d theta is what? Change in temperature. Yes or not? ms d theta. Now you might have one question, that why we are going to keep minus here? This minus sign indicates that how heat is going to loss. How heat is going to loss. So therefore here it is rate of loss of heat, and that's why I am keeping minus sign. And it is directly proportional to difference in temperature. So here let's substitute now this dq value. So minus m, therefore minus at the place of this dq, minus ms d theta divided by dt is equal to k into theta minus theta naught. Right? Okay. Now see what I am doing. This ms is there, no? Which one? This ms. I am transferring this side, so I am getting minus d theta by dt is equal to k divided by ms into theta minus theta naught. Okay, got it? Now see here, this is k is constant, m is constant, s also constant. All are constant. K comma m is what? Mass. S is what? Specific heat capacity, constant. Therefore, can I substitute at this place another constant, that is big K? What I am going to substitute? Another K, that is big constant. Okay, this one is again another constant, and therefore I am getting this minus d theta by dt is equal to capital K into theta minus theta naught. This is what your Newton's law of cooling. Now, what is the difference? This is minus dq by dt, this is minus d theta by dt. This is called rate of cooling. Okay, what is this? Rate of cooling. And actually is what this is, rate of loss of heat. So in terms of temperature, this is the form. What is this form about? This is the form about the temperature difference, means how the temperature is going to loss or how the temperature decreases with respect to time is equal to this K theta minus theta naught. Now what is this theta? Theta is average temperature. Keep it in mind. What is this theta? Average temperature. And theta naught, average temperature of what? Average temperature of body. And this theta naught is what? Surroundings temperature or temperature of surroundings. Okay, the way you want you can write. So let's write temperature of surrounding. Okay, theta naught is what? Temperature of surrounding. Clear? Understand? So note down this, pause the video and note down. Okay, next. Now let's move ahead. So I got like this. What is that? Minus d theta by dt is equal to K into theta minus theta naught. Okay, right? What I got? Minus d theta by dt is equal to K theta minus theta naught. So can I write, already I told this is what rate of cooling. So can I write like this? See here. Can I write like this? See what I am writing. So I am writing like this. Rate of cooling. Rate of cooling is directly proportional or is proportional to temperature difference between the body and its surrounding. Between the body and its surrounding. Got it? So that is nothing but what? D theta by dt is dial proportional to theta minus theta naught. I am not taking minus sign because it is rate of cooling. Minus sign indicates what? Rate of cooling. So when you are writing rate of cooling, d theta by dt is dial proportional to theta minus theta naught. Clear? Okay. So some note points. So some note points about this. So let's see what are the note points. Note point number 1. So more the temperature difference between body and its surrounding. What is the first point? See here. More the difference or more the temperature difference. More the temperature difference between body and its surrounding. Between body and its surrounding. More will be the rate of cooling. Rate of cooling rate of cooling will be more. Can you tell one example? Yes. Now I have a cup of tea which is at 80 degrees Celsius, and I was in the room whose temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. You see now 80 degrees Celsius hot tea and 20 degrees Celsius surrounding temperature. So there is lot temperature difference, almost 60 degrees Celsius. So this temperature difference is more. So rate of cooling will be also more. So very fast that tea will become cool. Understand? Good. Next, second note point. Note point number 2. If theta is equal to theta naught, then what happens here? If theta is equal to theta naught, that is body temperature is equal to surrounding temperature, then what this d theta will become? D theta by dt will become equal to 0. It means what? What is it meaning? That is, a body can never be cooled. A body can never be cooled below surroundings temperature. How can anyone explain? Yes. Or can we see anyone example of this? So let's see. Assume that you are again in that room only whose temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, and we have, or someone has given you a cup of water or a glass of water which is at 20 degrees Celsius. Now on the table there is a glass of water whose temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, and the room in which you are there or that glass is there, that is also 20 degrees Celsius. Is it possible to cool that glass below 20 degrees Celsius? No, it is not possible. That's why if theta means body temperature is equal to surrounding temperature, then we cannot cool that body below the surrounding temperature. That is what the meaning is. Next note point number 3, which is very important. They are asking problem on this, so concentrate. What is this note point number 3? If body cools from or cools by radiation from cools by radiation from theta 1 degree Celsius to theta 2 degrees Celsius in time t, then d theta by dt is equal to, yes or not? See, d theta is what here? Change in temperature. Dt is what? Time required. So how much change is there here? Theta 1 to theta 2. Right? And time how much? So you have to replace here in this d theta by dt is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Next, and theta will be equal to theta average. That is equal to what? Theta 1 plus theta 2 divided by 2. And theta naught will be equal to theta naught. Understand? So therefore, note down this first. Therefore, you see this one, d theta is equal to k in d theta by dt is equal to k into theta minus theta naught will become theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by t is equal to k into This is theta average. So therefore theta 1 plus theta 2 divided by 2 minus this theta naught. Okay. This will be your formula when this case they are giving. Understand? Okay. Clear? Next. Now. So see here. Practical examples. What are the practical examples? Number 1. Hot water loses heat in smaller duration. Loses heat in smaller duration as compared to moderate water or moderate warm water. Moderate warm water. This we know because when it is 80 degrees Celsius, 80 to 40 it will decrease very fast. But from 40 to 33 or 34 it will take so much time. Understand? That is what the practical example is. So it is same like more the difference, temperature difference, fast will be the cooling. Very simple. More the temperature difference, fast will be the cooling. Already we have learned. Next one, another practical example you see, adding milk in hot tea, reduces the rate of cooling. Reduces the rate of cooling. So you know this is general example. You know you have so many tea stalls. There will be one hot tea pot and there will be hot milk pot. So they are mixing milk in the hot tea so that it will be warm for long time. This is also one practical example. So note down this, pause the video and let's go ahead. Next. So limitations of Newton's law of cooling, right? Limitations of Newton's law of cooling. Limitations of Newton's law of cooling. What are the limitations? Let's see. Number 1 limitation. See here. Number 1. The difference in temperature between body and surroundings must be small. The difference in temperature between body and surrounding must be small. That is, theta minus theta naught should be less than or equal to the range 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. This is the range, not subtraction. Okay, clear? This is your first, what you can say, limitation. Second limitation, the loss of heat from the body the loss of heat from the body must be by radiation only. Understand? This is also another limitation. Third point. What is the third point? See, temperature of surroundings must remain constant during the cooling of the body. Obviously, है ना? So when body is cooling, your surrounding temperature should be constant. Otherwise, you kept a body for cooling and the surrounding temperature, room temperature is fluctuating, then it is not possible. So note down these limitations fast. Next, let's solve one problem on this model, that is Newton's law of cooling. Okay, let's solve one problem. Clear? So see, how is the problem? A body cools from 80 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes. Calculate the time it takes to cool from 60 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, you have to calculate the time, and they have given the temperature of surrounding is 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's solve this. So first, see here, case number 1. So what is our rule, or what is our law? D theta by dt is equal to k into theta minus theta naught. Okay, and in this type of cases, what you will use here? Theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by t is equal to k into theta average, है ना? So theta 1 plus theta 2 divided by 2 minus this theta naught. This formula you will use. So let's do it in a case wise. Case 1. Theta 1 is how much here? 80 degrees Celsius. Theta 2 is how much? 50 degrees Celsius. Theta naught is how much? 20 degrees Celsius. And t is equal to how much? 5 minutes. Don't convert into seconds. Keep it in minutes only. So how much that is? 5 minutes. So let's use this formula now. Okay, for case 1. So theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by t is equal to k into theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta naught. Okay. So let's move ahead. Now here theta 1 is how much? 80 minus 50 divided by t is equal to k into 80 plus 50 by 2 minus 20. So 80 minus 50, 30 by t is equal to k into this is how much? 80 plus 50, 130 by 2, 65. Check karo. 130 by 2 how much? 65 minus 20. Yes. And t also we have to substitute, right? So let's substitute t also here. So this is 30 by t is equal to k into 65 minus 30. Okay. So this is 30 by this is 5 is equal to k into this is how much? 45. Right? Check karo. This is 5 the 6 the. So 6 is equal to k into 45, and therefore I am getting k is equal to 6 by 45. Call this equation number 1. I got k value. Check karo ek bar, one more time check karo fir se, because in these problems sometimes everyone will commit mistakes. So theta 1 is 80, theta 2 is 50, time is 5, and theta naught is 20. So 80 minus 50, subtraction check karo, 30. Okay, time t is 5. K, 80 plus 50 how much? 80 plus 50, right now 130. Yes, 130 by 2, 65 minus 20, 45, right? You are getting 6 by 40. Everything is right? Okay, let's move ahead. Next. Now, case number 2. Case number 2. So you see here, case number 2 is how much? Theta 1 is 60, theta 2 is 30. So theta 1 in this case 2 is 60 degrees Celsius. Theta 2 is 30 degrees Celsius. Theta naught is 20 degrees Celsius, but T in this case we don't know. What is our formula? Theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by T is equal to K into theta 1 plus theta 2 divided by 2 minus theta naught. So this is 60 minus 30 by T is equal to K into 60 plus 30 by 2 minus 20. So this is 30, 60 minus 30 is 30 by T is equal to K into 60 plus 30, 90 by 2 means again 45, hai na? 60 plus 30, 90. So this is 45 minus 20. So this is equal to 30 by T is equal to K into 45 minus 20 is 25. But from equation 1, K value is how much we got? Check it. We got 6 by 45, hai na? 6 by 45. So here I am substituting 6 by 45. So therefore this is 30 by T is equal to 6 by 45 into 25. Yes, this is 5 5s are 5 9s are. Yes, this 5s are and this 6s are. So this 6 and this 6 will get cancelled. how much tea you are getting? 9 minutes. Yes or not? Clear? Yes. 9 minutes. So here you can write body will take 9 minutes to cool from 60 degrees Celsius to 30 degree Celsius. Yes, substitute करो इसमें and cancel करो, you will get the answer. Okay, so let's stop here. Bye for today and enjoy the day. Bye.